I like to do LiveGood reviews usually 2 or 3 times a week. Nothing fancy. You can look up things, gosh, just by going to livegood.com. You can check out the products, the FAQ section, our pay plan. You can go to YouTube, of course, and scam videos. Is it a ripoff? Is it a pyramid scheme? Is LiveGood worth it? Are the products crap? Are they white label and just cheap and just it's a cash grab? All right. You're going to have all these questions if you're new or just searching for really good products to buy, or maybe to be an affiliate and earn some money too. Okay. I've been doing this LiveGood thing 2 years and about a month. I joined March of 2023 and it's April of 2025. So I'm barely over the 2-year mark, and that's period. I am not an affiliate guru. I have not been doing online stuff and making just tons of cash for 3 to 6 months, then going to another opportunity and bouncing all over the place. But over the last 2 years, I've learned a lot about myself. The products are great. The company, I think, is outstanding. And proof, I've got dang near 3,800 videos that I have made exactly like how you're viewing right now. I don't pay somebody like on Fiverr $5 to dice up one video 50 times. All right, I sit here at least for a minimum of about 5 to 10 minutes, and I tell my story. I'm a storyteller. I like to talk about LiveGood, the products, the money. Sometimes I do little webinars that are about 30 minutes long, sometimes a little longer, but I like to do video because I can upload this to my YouTube channel, Facebook, TikTok, whatever, and it's there for months and months, years and years. And if I get signups 5 to 6 months, maybe it could be 5 years down the road. It's awesome. But right now it's the end of April. 2025. And after a couple years, guys, we have almost 2 million people signed up as members and affiliates. Out of 2 million, I'm number 29 in the company. And I think it's because I keep things simple. I upload content. I post about this opportunity on Facebook. Then I don't even like TikTok, but I'll just say, hey guys, this is Cory. I don't even like TikTok, but I have an opportunity that sure puts ka-ching and ka-chang in my little pockets that make me jiggle wiggle. And if you'd like to look into this opportunity, go to joincory.com. I can do that on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, or YouTube. And the less I do, the more successful I am. If I try to over-explain LiveGood, it seems to kind of slow down my pre-sign-ups and people that actually sign up as members and affiliates. Because everything with LiveGood, video are already made. You don't have to do a video like I'm doing. There's tons of neutral videos produced by the company where you can just have people watch the video, and then at the bottom, go to, in my case, joincory.com. Neutral video means there's tons of content. It's interesting. It talks about products, opportunity, the comp plan, but it doesn't direct to sign up under anybody. Okay, that's your job. Post the video, and then underneath, in my case, go to joincory.com. Okay, so don't worry if you don't want to do the video thing, but I highly recommend that if you can get to the level of just buying a webcam or maybe talking into your cell phone. And if you think you're fat and tired and your eyes are bagging or your hair looks crappy, guys, we all go through the same thing. Even me. I'm almost 60. I get it. But if you do video, it gives you an advantage. I'm just telling you straight up. You can also do business card. I just went to joincory.com. Boom. And it was available on GoDaddy for $11. And then it forwards to my LiveGood capture page, which you'll see if you go to joincory.com. I'll show you real quick on my screen too. But when you join for $49.95, guys, you have a full-blown website, 30 days of emails that go out, and that person can opt out if they don't want to join LiveGood. But sometimes people will go to my LiveGood capture page where they just watch the video. They watch this video, and in 3 to 4 months, they join. And I don't know where they came from, but they'll email me and go, hey, man, I decided to join. Well, God, where do you see me at? What's going on? Oh, about 4 or 5 months ago. I just bookmarked your page and I just went ahead and joined. And a lot of it has to do with an automated 30-day campaign of emails, one a day that just says, guys, let me tell you a little bit more about LiveGood. And you keep those emails. The next day, another email goes out from LiveGood on your behalf because the link to join is yours. But it's so nice to know that for 30 days, if that person doesn't opt out, they got 30 emails 1 month of recruiting from LiveGood. That's what you'll have. That's what I have. Okay, and you can do your own automated emails. You can go ahead and make postcards or business cards like I just showed you. But most people do social media. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Facebook is my favorite, but they're all good. People do the Twitter X thing. People do Threads. Is MySpace still around? Can you go to OnlyFans and kind of, I don't know, do some sexy moves and tell people to go to your Live Good? That's called Live Great, I think, or Live Awesome. Okay, let me just show you my business card. It might be a little easier if I show you a picture of it. But yeah, joincory.com, and it goes to this page here. You're going to have this exact capture page. Okay, and see the top? Let me scroll down. See where it says Cory Draper's website? You can put whatever you want right here as well. Okay, so dynamic nutrition, Cory's nutrition, Cory's gym. I just put Cory Draper. That's my name. All right. And the more that people get to know me through video or see me on Facebook, my sales go through the roof. I actually use my personal Facebook page and blend it in with all my businesses, and it makes me just a little more credible. You can see where I live, what I do, what I drive. I'm screwing around all the time on Facebook. So, but joincory.com, this is the capture page. And what it captures is just name, email. Okay. And if you want more information, hit that little orange button that says reserve my position. And if you want to join, go ahead and open up your Live Good email, and you can get your username, password. You can order products, set up how you want to get paid, either through crypto or your bank, debit card, credit card. It's up to you. You guys figure it out. You can go to support@livegood.com if you need help. Everything is shipped. All our products, guys, is shipped by the United States Post Office with tracking. If it's outside of America, it's mostly DHL International with tracking. But this is where I make things simple. Joincory.com. Go to this page. Watch this YouTube video right here. Just watch it. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It is our CEO, Blend Glinsky. It's Ben Glinsky. I always mess his name up. I'm sorry, Ben, if you ever see this video. Ben's a good guy. Nodder, our VP of marketing, is awesome. Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin are awesome. You can just tell they have such passion for our products. But go to the products page of livegood.com. Go to the FAQ. Go to the pay plan link. Everything you need to know is right there. You don't need to contact me. You're just going to sit there and watch little videos about all the information. But at the end of the day, guys, all I do is go joincory.com. Everything else is done. Capture page. There's the video. Okay, there's my card. If you want to use Vistaprint, great. If you have a printer, I don't know, at your FedEx store, I'm just telling you, a big old box is $20. This template was already done. I just capitalized the J, capitalized the C, because you can see Join Cory, I think, really easy, and it jumps off the page pretty nicely. And from there, yeah, go here. Go to livegood.com. Go to the pay plan link at the very bottom of your cell phone or your computer screen. It'll say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. The word affiliate goes away if your screen's a little smaller. Scroll up, go to the FAQ. Scroll up and go to the products tab. And just check out our products. And remember, everything on this page, 90 days. No questions asked, guys, for 3 months. Get the packs. Try anything. And if you don't like it, even if you use all these products empty, just go ahead and empty containers, that protein pouch of chocolate flavored protein. If you don't like it, just send it back to Jupiter, Florida, full refund. No questions asked, full cash refund. It just has to hit Jupiter, Florida within 90 days, 3 months, and who can't do that? We even have shirts and hats and other stuff, but that's on the products page, okay? All right, guys, I'll wrap this up within 10 minutes. joincory.com. The more simple I make this Live Good thing, the more successful. I'll have well over 500 people just signed up directly underneath me. And I have no experience. Like I said, I joined Live Good to buy the products. I became a member because I wanted to save money. A friend of mine a couple months later said, why don't you spend $40 and become an affiliate? Before you knew it, I signed up 100 people. Then I signed up 200. Then 300 and 400. Then I met other people with other opportunities that complement Live Good. All right, I know how to email people within policy of Live Good. You can't just like spam out and do all these things with junk email and stuff. You can't go knocking on doors, driving people crazy. All right. I have courses where you can learn how to be compelling, interesting, how to get people to watch. Like you're watching my video somehow, right? I learned how to do that just through video course training, but I have no experience, guys. And this is really a life changer where I can just sit in this office. This was probably a broom closet. I'm in a commercial building. My radio station's next door. Behind this wall, I built a big old drum set room. And you can see I obviously went to Kiss and Legos and Hot Wheels R Us. I went to Walmart, bought a mini fridge, so I have cereal and snacks and chicken noodle soup. I always have ice cold drinks or hot coffee or chocolate, hot chocolate in the wintertime. But if I have an internet feed, internet access, even if I'm on vacation in Fiji working on my tan, if I am just down the street at a barbecue and I have 5-10 minutes to kill, I can go and invite people to go to joincory.com. But it's nice to know that you can live anywhere in the world. I'm serious. In America, we have 50 states, all right, in your neck of the woods. But we have over 200 and something countries already joined. We have almost 2 million people, almost 1 million a month, or 100,000 a month, 1 million a year. That's incredible success. Okay, we're still signing up about 9,000 to 10,000 people per week. That's worldwide. And that's just members and affiliates, people just screwing off. There's no competition. All right. We now have celebrities that are taking our products and making videos and uploading them to the internet. We are on some of the biggest podcasts in the world. But guys, in the next 3 to 6 months, probably even sooner, LiveGood is going to be a household name. Here in America, if I tell people LiveGood, they're like, oh, I saw that on the podcast. Oh, I saw that on Fox. Yeah, that's awesome. Tell me about the methylene blue. Tell me about the protein powder. Tell me about the CBD oil and all the other great vitamins and nutritional products. So for $9.95, guys, you can buy anything that we sell for absolute wholesale. It's barely more than cost. We just got to cover the shipping to Jupiter, Florida. But our CEO goes, no, we're not going to profit on products. We're not an MLM. You don't sell products in order to get commissions. If you want to earn money, it's $40 one time. And when people sign up doing the membership thing, $9.95 a month, or if you have $99.95 a month, guess what? You get 12 months for the price of 10. But it's up to you. I don't make any more or less. You decide. Do you have $49.95? Then come aboard. Okay? Order the products. Get your money back. You got 3 months, guys. That's plenty of time to figure out if you like the products or not, okay? All right, thanks for your time. It looks like I went over a couple minutes. Let me just show you my business card one more time, okay? joincory.com. Please go there. All right, I appreciate you. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And bookmark me on Facebook. Just inbox me there. Or if you need to email me, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Peace. All right, have a good day, guys. Thanks for the last 13 minutes of your life. All right, I hope you join. Take care, guys.